Welcome to another Dripworks video. Today, we're excited to introduce the GardenBee stainless steel weeder, a must-have tool for every gardener. Let's dive right in and see what makes this weeder so special. As we open the box, the first thing you'll notice is the sturdy packaging, ensuring that the GardenBee weeder arrives in perfect condition. Here it is, the GardenBee stainless steel weeder. This tool is designed with both durability and functionality in mind. This weeder features a high-quality stainless steel blade that is rust-resistant and built to last. The ergonomic wood handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to tackle even the toughest weeds. And it also comes with this pouch for easy storage. The GardenBee weeder measures 13 inches in total length, including a 5-inch wooden handle, giving you the perfect balance of reach and control. Now let's see the GardenBee weeder in action. With its sharp blade and sturdy construction, the GardenBee weeder makes quick work of removing weeds from your garden beds, pathways, and more. Notice how easily it cuts through the soil and roots, making your gardening tasks much more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing video and demonstration of the GardenBee stainless steel weeder. Visit our website at dripworks.com to get yours today and make weeding a breeze. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as leave any comments if you have questions. Goodbye.